I'm Dr. Daniel Amen, Equiscope. Oh my goodness. The first time I met John, I thought I needed knee surgery. I was having trouble walking on the beach and it was really irritating. And John heard about my NFL work and we got together. He goes, let me show you. And, you know, I'm a doctor, I'm skeptical. But after about 60 minutes, my knee didn't hurt anymore. And I'm like running up and down the hallway. And I don't really think of myself as a placebo responder, but then I went to Italy for 10 days. I was going to go meet the Pope, and I had an Airbnb where I had 42 steps up. No pain. Down. No pain. I was walking 10 miles an hour. No pain. So I became a huge fan of Equiscope. You should check it out.